Hi my wonderful traders, welcome back to my channel. If you're a first-time trader, my name is Alivia. So in today's trade, it's going to be quite interesting. I'm going to be trading with the Aroon indicator, but of course I'll be carrying out technical analysis first. So I'm going to start with an initial deposit of $60 and hopefully hit my goal for today around $7,000 or more. Hopefully I'm able to hit this goal by the end of this video, so stay tuned and watch this video until the end so that you can learn how to use this indicator, find good entry points on the market and make very good profit. As well as I'm going to be opening trades from 1 to 2 minutes and using 15 seconds candlesticks. So let me get started and show you how to activate this indicator, interpret it and make very good profit. So first of all, you need to activate the indicator. I'm going to click the indicator list and here you can see the Aroon indicator, and I'm going to change the period to 16. I will change the moving average thickness for you so you can be able to see it better. The indicator is displayed at the bottom of the chart. It has two lines. The blue line is the uptrend, the red line is the downtrend. So when the moving averages are intersecting each other and the blue line goes up, the price starts to move higher. And after this intersection, you can open an up trade. And also vice versa happens when you see the red line goes up, an intersection appears and the price starts to move down. In this situation, you can open a down trade. Also, you need to consider other situations of the flat zone when the price obviously doesn't move. You can see the intersections very often. The indicator gives lots of error signals, so in this situation it's quite difficult to find the entry point. That is why I just recommend you to miss these situations and find better situations that you understand. So let me find my first entry point and explain it to you. So before I continue, I have a private chat in Telegram channel where you can learn about binary trading, ask any questions about binary trading and use my trading signals to make very good profit. If you'd like to join, go under the description box and find a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I will add you to this private chat, and also you can find me in Telegram using my username. So guys, here you can see the price moved up and then moved down. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade down for 1 minute because the red line of the indicator has gone up. Here I can understand the price has a very good downside potential, and as you can see the chart shows a lot of red candlesticks. I can understand that this is a downward movement. That's why there's a high chance of the price moving down, and on this moment I'll try and make very good profit. And you can see that this trade is against the uptrend. That's why I've taken a 1 minute time interval to avoid losses. So guys, this is quite interesting because you can notice the price moves down and my trade closed lower than the entry point, and also 1 minute was perfectly enough for this trade here. Thus I understand my first trade is quite profitable. Let me continue. So guys, here I can see the resistance level and the price moves down. So in this situation, I'm going to open a down trade for 1 minute because the red line of the indicator has gone up and I understand the price has a very good downside potential. And earlier I can see the price reversed from this level, and now you can see the reaction occurred. I understand that very soon the price will be moving lower for a while. I'm hoping that 1 minute will be enough time for this situation. So let me wait for the results. This is quite excellent, friends. You can see the price moved down and here my trade closed lower than my entry point, and thus I understand I made very good profit here. This indicator really showed me a very good entry point, so let me continue. Here I can see from the support level the price bounced up, and right now you can see the growth occurring. So I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see the blue line goes up here, and you can see the price lows are becoming higher, and to the maximum point you can see there is room. So all these moments signal that the price has a very good potential for an increase, and I think that the price will be moving up. And also I'm using a time with a reserve, taking into account a flat zone or a pullback down. But let me wait for the results. So have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't yet subscribed, I urge you to please subscribe to my channel. It really supports my channel, and you can also like my videos and share my videos to your friends and family. And also don't forget to turn on notification if you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any new video that is posted. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price moves according to my scenario and shows a very good movement up, and you can see I made very good money here confidently with the help of the indicator that showed me a very good entry point. Let me continue. So guys, here I can see a very good upward trend. You can see a big pullback down and the price again moves higher. So here I can also notice that the blue lines of the indicator go up, and I can see the intersection of the moving averages. So let me open an uptrend for 2 minutes here, because to the maximum point there is a big room and to the minimum points are becoming higher. I can see lots of green candlesticks recently, and also these moments signal that the price has a very good upside potential, and I think that very soon the price will continue moving up according to the main uptrend. So let me see how this trade will close. So guys, this was a very interesting trade because you can notice that the price moves up and this trade brought me a very confident profit. So the indicator was right again and it showed me a very good entry point. So let me continue and find another situation. So here I can see that this is a downward trend and the price is moving down. So I'm going to open a down trade for 2 minutes because the red line of the indicator moved up. The main price highs are becoming lower, and earlier you can also see after the slight attenuation, the price continued moving down very impulsively with red candlesticks. So all these moments signal that the price has a very good downside potential, and I think that very soon the price will continue moving down due to the downtrend. But let me wait for the results. This is quite good, friends. You can see the chart shows red candlesticks and the price moves down. So I understand that this was a very good trade and I made very good profit. Let me continue. Are you looking for a reliable and trustworthy broker to use in your trades? I recommend the Pocket Option platform and the Quotex platform. I've used them quite a lot because they are quite convenient, reliable and trustworthy. If you'd like to use them, I left a link under this video. You can use it to register with the first time bonus. So here guys, I can see that the price is moving down and I really want to open a trade down here because I can see that the lines are crossing each other. You can see the red line is going higher and this is the downside potential, and I can also see that there has been the reversal of the price and it started to go down and the main price highs are becoming lower. That's why I think that the price will show movement down and I'll try and make very good profit on it. Let me see how this will work out. This is very good, friends. You can see the price shows a very good downward movement, and thus I got a very good profit here. And you can see my deposit is in the first $1,000. That means I've increased my money by about 20 times. Let me continue and find more trading situations and hit my goal for today. You can see after the upward movement, the price started to go down. I'm going to open a trade down for 1 minute because I can see that the red line has gone higher. Thus I understand the price has a downside potential, and to the minimum point there is enough room. You can see the price moves down very impulsively with red candlesticks mainly. So I'm going to take 1 minute time and consider the fact that the price can bounce up. Then wait for the results. This is excellent, friends, because you can see the price shows a downward movement and my trade closed lower than the entry point thanks to the help of this indicator. Let me continue. So here I can see the price moves down and I really want to open a downward trade for 2 minutes because I can see the red line is going higher. You can see that this is a downside potential, which is very good, and you can also see the price highs are becoming lower on the chart. Here you can see that recently the price has moved down quite impulsively and there are lots of red candlesticks. I think that 2 minutes will be quite enough for this situation, even if the flat zone or the pullback up happen. Let me see how this trade will close. Wow, this is very good. You can see the price moves according to my scenario, and this is a downward move, and thus you can see the trade is very profitable. You can also see the indicator gave me a very good entry point and it confirmed it. You can see that my deposit is now $4,000, so I'm confidently approaching my trading goal. Let me find more situations to work out. So here I can see from the support level the price bounced up. In this situation, I want to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see the blue line goes up, and I can also notice the price lows are becoming higher, and after the pullback you can see the price again moves up. So all the signals that the price has a very good upside potential. I think that very soon the price will continue moving up. Let me check how this situation will work itself out. So this was a very excellent trade. You can see the price has been trading according to my scenario here, and it shows a very good growth, and you can see that this trade was very profitable, which is a great result. You can see my deposit is more than $7,000. I think I'm going to stop here. I'm going to fix this profit and leave the market. So I showed you different situations and how to use the Aroon indicator together with technical analysis to make very good profit, and as you saw, they work quite well. As long as you carry out technical analysis first, then use the Aroon indicator, it will work quite well in your trades. So as you can see, I made very good profit in today's trades. So, and I urge you to use my strategy, use it, practice a lot in your trades, and within no time you'll be able to make very good profit. So do you know about my private chat in Telegram channel where you can learn a lot about binary trading, because I post news about binary trading there. I post my trading signals that you can use to make very good profit, as well as you can be able to interact with the other members of the group and ask any binary question. So if you would like to join, there is a link in the description box. It's a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using my username. So guys, I've noticed that a lot of you aren't yet subscribed to my channel. I would appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and support my channel by liking my videos, sharing my videos, and also turning your notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video that is posted. So I thank you for watching my video. Until next time, bye bye.